tell you, I went all in this year, guys. I went all in this year. And some people can say it does not show. Some people can say, you know, then why aren't you, at the top? Why aren't you literally like buying a Bugatti or whatever, like why aren't you doing this? Why aren't you doing that? But this year has been one of my most successful years because my mentality has grown through discipline, through working hard, through staying focused on just one goal. And I'm nowhere I want to reach. A lot of people are not where they want to reach at this age, and is, you know, blinded by what is seen on social media, blinded by what is seen online and whatever. But you got to go on your own pace. Like everyone has tomorrow. Everyone is gonna have tomorrow. Tomorrow's coming for everybody. Tomorrow, another day you wake up, the same guy is gonna wake up. What are you gonna do with your day is the real question. Are you gonna really just do something productive, or are you just gonna sit there, A crazy grind this year. For many people that don't know who I am, I'm been a trading this whole year, entrepreneur, online money, been chasing it for a while, and this year has taught me a lot. And the biggest thing that I learned is that discipline, and when I really put my head down is where I was actually able to really work hard and see real results. I've been posting on TikTok for 7 months now straight. Haven't really, people could say, oh, you haven't really got the result you really should be getting. You only have like 600 followers, whatever. But I fell in love with the game in the process. If you don't love the game, you can't succeed. You can't grow. I'm growing every single day, whether it's shown in my account or not. I'm growing every single day, and I just hope that shows, or like someone could see that. And I don't have that follower count, but that's not gonna stop me, man. I'm still gonna be posting every single day. I'm gonna continue to level up my content. I'm gonna continue to level up myself, show my progress in my trading life, show my progress in my life in general. And if anyone's been sticking through, I have improved so much since the beginning. And you know, chasing that lifestyle, chasing that bread is great and all whatever, and I've been chasing it, it's been pretty good, but the process, what I really learned is finding true peace with yourself, man. There's a lot of outside noise, or like outside bringings of thinking that you're behind, or that you're, not at where you're supposed to be, but fuck that shit, bro. Fuck that shit. Leave those noises behind, man, and realize for a second, how are you gonna complete your goals yourself? Screw what other people are doing. How can you complete what you want out of your life yourself? It doesn't happen overnight. I guarantee you that. It doesn't happen in months. I'm nowhere. I still got to continue to grow, but I know that this shit will not happen overnight. If I put my head down, it will look like an overnight success because I put in the work. So all you gotta do is put in the work. 2026, be with me right now. Be with me in 2026 and start the year by yourself and just do what you need to do. Like, get rid of all that outside noise, man. And what are your goals? Whether it's to, like hit the gym more, whether it's to, like start making 5K a month on trading, or like reach your first 10K a month, or whether it's, just finding happiness, pure happiness. As someone's goal could be as simple as that, or your dream car, trying to get a car by the end of the year. The only way you can make that happen is not by dwelling on it. By dwelling if you made a mistake or failed trying to get that goal. Well, you're not gonna go anywhere forward with that. But if you put your head down and realize from your mistakes, realize that God's got you, realize that God has a plan for you. If you stick with your plan, stick with your goal and ambition, and stay consistent, you can see some type of result. The result will be exponential as time goes, man. I was trading maybe like 2 years ago, didn't have a lot of money in trading, like crypto and all that stuff. But a year later, we had a good run last year, the year before this in crypto and stocks, and this year as well. But I've learned so much and was able to gain on so many opportunities in the market just through staying disciplined and staying consistent and checking out what's going on, staying disciplined in my strategy, my risk management, everything. You know, I'm not perfect. I've definitely made mistakes this year. I've almost lost it all. I've almost definitely lost it all so many times, maybe like 3 times this year with stupid trades. But you know what I did? I learned from that. And in these last 6 months, I've had a way better plan. And I'm gonna continue to grow, and I'm gonna show it more here, maybe on X, but like maybe my journey, maybe do like a 1 to 10K month uh, trading cycle in January, or just more content, to show like what I've been really doing outside the scenes. But I've been through a lot this year mentally, and the only thing that sticks me through is seeing the vision of what I want to complete. And people can say I've not shown that, but they don't know what's in here. They don't know what's in here. No one knows what's in here besides yourself. What's in here is what's really growing, Like, think about it. Let's say you got everything stripped from you, right? Everything stripped from you one day. Only thing you got is yourself, bro. Only thing you got yourself and your mentality, If you won the lottery, but you got no knowledge, no way to get out of any situation on yourself, then are you really successful? Are you really successful to yourself? Or, you know what I'm saying? Like, if you got lucky, are you really successful? Can you do it again? And I'm not bashing anyone that's doing that either. Like, everyone has different goals and like have different mindsets of when they want to complete. But I want to become the best person of me, and I'm pretty sure there's a lot of people want to become their best version of them. And I could say I was in a really down place, but you know what made me a better person was staying consistent and trusting myself that I can do it. If you don't trust yourself that you can do it, it's almost impossible. The dream is easily become a reality with time. Your time is your points. Time spent doing nothing. What are you going to be doing? What are you going to be doing in 6 months? You're going to be nothing. Time spent grinding. 6 months later, you're going to be seeing results. It might be like 2-year progress, 3-year progress, 5-year progress. But if you wake up right now, boy, and you're still young as fuck, if you wake up right now and you don't even see a result for 5 years, I could almost promise those people will still continue to be successful. I could almost promise those people will figure out how to bounce back in any situation. Those people will also be able to figure out who they really are in this world and what God has gifted to them. And it's hard. I know. This is why a lot of people are not successful. But what do you think is harder? Doing nothing or doing something? Doing nothing or doing something? Doing nothing will hurt. Doing nothing won't do anything for you. And it's honestly harder. I've been in phases doing nothing. Everyone has their times, but that shit literally kills you mentally. And yeah, I'm just here to say that. Make sure you lock in 2026. I feel this is your year, bro. This is your year. Drop all distractions. Drop all that outside noise. Get that dream car. Reach 10K a month. Lock the fuck in. And stay true to what you want to do.